Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith and I'm just back again here to inspire you guys. Never mind my background, it is going to be a bit the same for the next like a couple of videos because today I just felt the need to be here, encourage someone, make you feel good about yourself, and most importantly boost your self-confidence, because I believe that what I'm going to talk about today is going to be very impactful, especially to all the ladies that are going to watch this specific video. So stick around guys and make sure you watch the video to the end so that you don't get to miss anything that is important. Okay, you want to look good, attractive, on a budget. Lashes won't last for life. You doing your eyebrows, drawing your eyebrows during the day will not last you for eternity. I'm not saying you should not put those things, the eyelashes, doing your brows, making sure that your edges are, your edges will one day you'll wake up, they are no longer there because you're always putting on gel. Let's just be honest with each other. You applying makeup, if you look at my face right now, I have not applied anything because I just wanted to do this video in the most naturalist form that I can ever do. Lipstick, I've just applied it because I just want to look a bit presentable for this specific video. You'll see me on other videos, of course, with makeup, and I will ensure I mention to you I do makeup for content, for very important. Also, the casual meetings, I also do for them, but I make sure that I do not do it on a daily basis. These are chemicals on our faces. We don't know which day they'll just decide, I'm tired of your face. Get those pimples, get those lashes, have those wrinkles, or do I don't know what. So in today's video, I just want to talk to us ladies. Ways of making ourselves look prettier, better, more satisfied with ourselves, more confident. In as much as somebody would come and tell you, is this an occasion? Why would you just do lipstick alone? You know what you're doing. You know what you want as a lady. You know what you want to boost for yourself. I'm not against any brand that supports good skincare routine and all that. I'm not against that. I'm just trying to look for better ways for my ladies to feel better and confident with themselves. It's not every time you want that makeup, right? So let's dive into the video, guys. One of the key factors that I would honestly want anyone to focus on is good skincare health. Have a skincare routine. Don't sleep with your makeup on. Don't sleep with dust on your face. Just make sure that when you're sleeping that you have cleaned your face. If you have any collagen you normally apply at night before you sleep, just apply it, okay? Don't overdo it. Just make sure that you're having a good skincare health routine. Make sure you're eating the right foods. Drink lots of water. Drink fruits if you have blended fruits. Take a lot of fruits to boost your general health. Not only people do they want to see a face, a smiling face and all that, also people are also interested in getting to know, this lady looks beautiful, but can she also cook my food, healthy food in my house? How is her health actually? Let me be very honest. I don't know why I normally attract people who love good food, who love homemade food, who love just healthy things. I would go on a date with someone. They don't drink just pure water. They want water with lemon inside. And ask myself, why are they taking this? You go with someone, I only want chips and maybe just, you know what ladies you want when you go out on those dates. We don't go out there and eat ugali or heavy food. We just want light food, which is very okay. But you go there with a man, they are eating very healthy stuff. So make sure that your skin from inside, you're bringing it from inside. Drink your apple juice. Just drink something nice for the sake of your skin. What works for you will really thank you later in the coming years or days. The other thing, groom your eyebrows. Lately, I noticed I love having bushy eyebrows. So whenever I go to my sister, she's the one who does my eyebrows and my hair. So I normally tell her, just trim them. I want them I don't know, bougie. I just want them big like this, so that I don't have to look like I don't have eyebrows. I don't want to look like I have messed up eyebrows. Right now, they're a bit messed up because I have not done them yet. I'm supposed to go back. But as you can see, I still have that shape here. You see? If I take a brush and just do like this, my eyebrows are all okay. So make sure that your face looks great. Your eyebrows will always boost how your face looks, with makeup or without makeup. So make sure that you're doing the right thing with your own eyebrows, right? Also, keep your hair well styled. I understand you want to wear wigs every day, but have pretty lines underlying your wig. Do a hairstyle that can last you for maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks or maybe a month, but it still looks good on you. It doesn't take away your edges, still looks pretty. You can maintain it. Just make sure that you're always on point. Look for hairstyles that look good on you. I noticed when I put hair like this, I look pretty. When I put lines going backward, I look like a high school child. I don't want that. I don't want that. So make sure your hair is looking good. Have a bright smile. Walk around people smiling. Don't be frowning. Let me tell you. Nobody wants a frowning person around them. Nobody wants to be around somebody who is always gloomy. Nobody wants somebody who is never happy. Always have a bright smile. Make sure your teeth are always cleaned up. If you don't have white teeth, save up, go and wash your teeth. If you don't have that cute smile, go do braces for 6 months. Get them aligned. Get them looking good. No one is coming to save you except yourself. If you want to look good for a lifetime, don't look good just because you want to get married or for your man, for your husband, all that. Look good for yourself. Let them say, hey, she's old and she's putting braces like a child. Go and align your teeth for 6 months or a whole year. Just make sure they're looking good. I don't have the most perfect teeth, but let me tell you, I will smile. I'll keep on with that good attitude. I don't want anyone to mistake me for somebody who is always gloomy or somebody who is not happy about themselves. No, keep up a good smile all the time. Wear flattering clothes. What do I mean? Your body is not like my body. You might have a Coca-Cola shaped body shape, pearl shape, I don't know, we have many styles. Women, we are blessed. We are abundantly blessed. We have different types of bodies. The way type A looks on that dress is not the way I'm going to look in that dress. Go Google, how does a pearl shaped person dress like? How should I dress? Who are the people online on social media who have the same body as me? Let me be very honest. I don't know if anyone has watched Modern Mission's videos. I like her videos because her body, okay, not like her body, but I feel like she has some features in her body that I honestly would love to flatter them around, and she knows how to flatter them. There's a dress I saw her with and I was like, I'm going for that dress. She looks good in that dress. My body shape looks like hers. I don't have the Coca-Cola shaped. I'm not Kina Ambare. I'm not Kina Dana Marwa. I don't have that shape. Since I have my shape here, let me flatter it. I don't look good in long dresses, by the way. I wish I would have shown you how this dress, it looks good. I don't have the nyash, the big nyash that people want, but let me tell you, I'm going to wear very good clothes that look good on me. I came to realize that I was making a huge mistake of wearing clothes that don't fit me. People would be like, "Eh, feel onaka off kabisa." Then I would wear a certain dress that I don't think I look good in, and they're like, "Oh wow, you have really elevated your look. You look very beautiful, very pretty." Who wouldn't want such a compliment? Go invest in your hairstyles. Go invest on your eyebrows. Go invest in that good dress. Let nobody talk you out of it, okay? Carry yourself with confidence. If there's something that I've learned over time, confidence has worked for me in rooms I never expected. People would be like, I think I want that lady to do this and this and this for me. We would be in meetings, somebody would be like, Faith is going to write those minutes because I'll be sure to read them out. I have the confidence. Let me tell you, I was never born with confidence, but I went to study. I have learned about confidence. I've watched people being confident with what they say. I've watched people walk in rooms with confidence, and they won that job. They won that person they wanted to win, and things just started working out for them. The word of the Lord, yes, I'm going to put God in this. The word of the Lord tells us that you have not been given a spirit of timidity. Jesus gave you a spirit of confidence. Let me just put it like that. You have the spirit of confidence in you, boldness. That's how it puts it. You are bold, black, beautiful, bold young lady. Brown, white, whichever color you are, you must know that God has deposited boldness in you. So any other thing that people have sold to you out there, oh, I don't like the way your eyes look like, how your lips look like, those were lies from the enemy. Jesus, you are bold. Go and look bold. Since you have spoken about boldness, I've been really observing myself lately, and I was like, is there anything that I've not changed in my life since I realized why I need to work on myself generally, health-wise, skin-wise, educational-wise, and all that? Oh my God. Yes, there is. Positive body language. Have you ever spoken to somebody and you just felt off with them? Their body language was speaking something else. Oh, you look beautiful. And they're rolling their eyes. Don't do that. Have a positive body language. Let me tell you, people don't associate themselves with angry people, with people who are always jealous, with people who are off with their moods. I don't know if I go and approach Caro today. Caro is my sister. She will have this good mood or not. People should never have to guess if they will find you in a good mood or not. Be happy. Regardless of how things look like, make sure you always have a positive body language. Okay? So we are already in 2025. If you are watching this video 2025, we are stepping in the next 2 weeks into 2025. So whichever time you watch this video, it's okay. But make sure the things that I've listed out for you, they will work for you. The last thing and the last I would love to mention, work on your body. If your body type is like this, enhance it. Look good. Don't go looking naked. Just look good. Look presentable, decent. You will win a lot more than you just ever imagined. So my name is Faith, and that's the video that I have for today for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, like my video, give me a good comment. Okay, that's it for today's video. Bye guys.